I'm really talented at eating Korean food. See? I even shared this talent with people all over the world, which culminated in me owning over 3 subscribers. But when I ventured into the realm of Korean cooking, my efforts were viciously mocked by a gang of small children. Hey kids, look what I created.
뭐야, 한식 요리 못해. 한식 요리 바보. 돼지 같은 얼굴 있는 바보. 한식 요리 못해. 바보, 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 바보.
After drowning my shame in copious amounts of chocolate milk, I discovered my savior, Korean celebrity chef Baek Jongwon. It was as if he was speaking directly to me, in my voice. 조지 씨, 한국 요리 할 수 있습니다. 화이팅! 그나저나 제 요리책 당장 사세요. I was ever so excited. So I did as Baek Jongwon commanded and ordered not just 1 but 3 of his books to please him. And here they are. I've ordered book number 52, 54 and 55. For some reason that was the collection online. Baek Jongwon is kind of like the Korean Gordon Ramsay because he has a TV series where he tries to save failing restaurants. But instead of shouting at people until their tears turn into a perfect bechamel sauce, he actually teaches them new recipes and then helps them to make those recipes. A revolutionary concept. So this morning I'm going to be making soybean doenjang jjigae, which is just like a beef soybean stew, with the help of this guy, Baek Jongwon. In the recipe it says to put 60 grams of beef in, but I'm going to put in 264 grams. I hope that's okay. 네, 괜찮습니다. I don't let anybody touch my kitchen because everything is meticulously organized, as you can see. This is where the plates go, and this is where the other plate goes. I'm going to chop the tofu. Oh, bugger. Wasn't expecting that. And actually I feel really self-conscious about my chopping technique. Looks pretty amateur. I think if I try and do it like a professional chef, then I'll probably just end up chopping up one of my fingers off. I think chefs do this. Rice water? I guess so. So now we put the rice water in here. I should have cut the radish into smaller pieces. I've cut them into pizza slice shapes. A spoonful of doenjang, veg. I really hope that this rice to water ratio is acceptable. 네, 괜찮습니다. Goes the chili powder. Is that about a third? Looks about it. About half a spoon of garlic in, is that right? Well, I really like garlic, so let's just put in a whole spoon. I think that's acceptable. Is it acceptable? 네, 괜찮습니다. I think that means it's done. It looks done. So, here we have soybean doenjang jjigae. I don't want to compliment my own product, but that is pretty damn good. If I were to critique my own work, I would say next time maybe chop up the vegetables into smaller pieces. Try the rice and the bulgogi doenjang jjigae combination. Perfect rice, perfect doenjang jjigae. I'm sure if Koreans saw this, they probably wouldn't say it was perfect. But for me, it's perfectly okay. Okay, so I just had a little nap, which went on for longer than planned. And now I'm gonna make kimchi bulgogi, which is stir-fried rice and kimchi. I'm gonna help realize Baek Jongwon's vision of a kimchi bulgogi by actually properly weighing the ingredients. Baek Jongwon says, oh bugger, 30 grams of spring onion, and I've got 90 grams. No, it doesn't matter. That's like It's just making it healthier. So there are lots of different types of kimchi in Korea, and this is one of them. Pull this out like that. Actually, the thing that I like about Korean cooking is the scissors. It just makes cutting things really easy. So as long as you've got good scissoring technique, it should be a piece of cake. Salt. This goes. One, two. I think I saw a video of Baek Jongwon doing this with his spoon. How does this look? Does it look okay? 엄청 맛있어 보인다. Whew, now it's time to try the kimchi bulgogi. Let's see how it tastes. Again, I'm going to be assessing my own work. I don't know if that's valid, but it's a bit oily, but still quite nice. So if I was going to make this next time, maybe put 30 milliliters of oil instead of 60, which I think was the recipe. Also, if it were possible, I'd love to put some British sausages in here as well, because British sausages are the best. You hearing that, Germany? And for my final trick, I'll be preparing bulgogi, which is just Korean style barbecue beef. 1 big spoon of corn syrup. So I have 6 big spoons of soy sauce, black pepper. Oh, I need to massage it again. So I think I just need to leave this for a bit. Then I add the vegetables. Right, so now I've left the bulgogi to marinate and chill for 30 minutes. I can now prepare the vegetables. So 2 spoonfuls of sesame oil. 1 and 2. It's time to massage it again. And now I can start frying it. I've noticed in Baek Jongwon's videos, he often uses chopsticks to cook, so I think I'll do the same. So this is the final Korean meal of the day, and it looks very nice. This is the best yet. If I had to present some Korean food to Baek Jongwon, this is the one that I would give him.
For my final test, I was going to present my kimchi jjigae to the harshest Korean food critic of all time. My friend Taehyun.
맛이 없을 줄 알았는데 맛있어.
다행이다. Does it taste like kimchi jjigae?
뭐 그렇지. 근데 김치찌개도 뭐 이렇게 다양하니까.
김치 되게 다양한데
어.
근데 이거 뭐 무슨 스타일인 것 같아?
영국 스타일?
영국 스타일 김치 되게 만들었구나.
오버쿡 된 것 같은 느낌?
So overcooked, slightly burnt.
아니야. It's not burnt.
Just-
Slightly overcooked.
Just slightly overcooked. That's like
Which is
that's-
okay.
But that's a polite way of saying burnt. Is it not?
아니야. 진짜로 근데 slightly overcooked,
Yeah.
but not burnt, for sure.
That is a very good review, and I'll take that. Thank you very much. Thank you for reviewing my food.